The silence has been too deafening for too long regarding World 100 meters champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, but the announcement came. Shelly will make her long-awaited season debut at the national trials coming up in about 3 weeks. Far from ideal, especially for a veteran sprinter who is no closer to 40 than 30. And even athletes in their younger prime need races to get sharp, much as Shelly at her age and her stage. But we heard the circumstances, family emergencies, injury, and we suspect strategy brought us to where we are. One light at the end of the tunnel, though, is that unlike all the other sprinters in that 100 meters field at the national trials, who must be near their best in early July, Shelly's aim is to be ready for championship time in mid to late August. And I put it to you, despite her ups and downs this season, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce needs to just find 2 10.7s and 1 10.6, and she will be back on the medal podium at the World Championship. And me, now put it past her. You put it past her? You put it past her.